If you're seeing Facebook login error code 1, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can often get you back into your account in just a minute or two. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and the best part is that these steps are fast, easy to follow, and safe to try on your own. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the first and quickest fix: refresh the page. Sometimes this error happens because the login page didn't load properly, or the connection had a temporary glitch. On your keyboard, press F5 to reload the page, or tap the refresh button in your browser. Then try signing in again and see if the error disappears. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt Facebook's login process and trigger error code 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Open another website to confirm the internet is working, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data if you're on a phone. If your connection looks unstable, restarting your router can also help. Now let's move on to the next fix: log out and log in again. If Facebook has cached a bad login session, signing out completely and starting over can clear the issue. Close the Facebook app or browser tab, log out if you can, then open Facebook again and enter your login details one more time. This simple reset often solves temporary account access problems. If you're still getting the error, try Incognito Mode. This is especially useful if browser cookies, extensions, or saved data are interfering with Facebook. On Chrome, you can open a new incognito window from the menu, then go to Facebook and try logging in there. Because Incognito Mode uses a fresh session, it can help you bypass problems caused by your normal browser settings. If you're using the Facebook app instead of a browser, you can also try force closing the app and reopening it. On some devices, clearing the app from recent apps and relaunching it can remove the temporary glitch causing the login error. You can even restart your phone before trying again, which helps refresh the device and network connection. Another thing worth doing is clearing your browser cache and cookies if you're logging in on desktop. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with Facebook sign-in and produce error code 1. After clearing the cache, reopen the browser, go back to Facebook, and test the login again. If none of these steps work the first time, try them again in order. Refresh the page, check your connection, log out and back in, and then use Incognito Mode. In many cases, one of these simple fixes is enough to solve the issue without needing anything more advanced. So to recap, if you get Facebook login error code 1, first refresh the page with F5, then check your internet connection, then log out and back in, and finally try Incognito Mode. These are the fastest ways to troubleshoot the problem and get access restored. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, simple fixes, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.